The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hi, how are you today? I'm Imrathik. Today, let's learn how to have a stable backhand in table tennis. How to have a stable backhand in table tennis. Position your backhand correctly. Keep your backhand slightly to the right to avoid extra effort when rotating. Step in with your left foot. During rotation, ensure your left foot moves forward to stabilize your stance and improve coverage. Align your pull. Pull with your backhand from the right side to optimize power and control. Lift your hand slightly, raise your hand slightly while stepping in to maintain balance and control during the stroke.
创造出的给出的建议和方法。大家可以认真听了，然后后面呢，我们排队想要参加活动的朋友呢也是一样，提前想好自己的问题啊。
因为你现在反手的太往左了，所以说你左边以后再侧身，它需要就是比一般人要做的更多一点，所以你找不到合理点。稍微反手拉的时候，你要稍微往右一点。对，你看你现在是在这儿拉，如果回来一点，然后你转侧身的时候要罩住球，然后左脚在前插进去。
这把式拉好之后是这样去插。
对，插进去，左脚一定要在前，然后手拿起来一点，右边一点，走，哎，对，很好，走，哎，非常好，对，走，对，左脚往里插，拿起来，很好，走，很好，对你反手拉一定要在右侧，你这一侧的话，如果脚步的话就会多一步，对。这个是最好的，再来一组，上，非常好，非常好。侧身的时候，左脚往里插就行。对，往里插一点。你要如果往侧的话，那个劲儿就泄。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, pingsunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.